As the English language continues its dominance as the international language for education, trade, travel, and diplomacy, parents are seeking out new ways for their children to learn English. Whether mandated by governments or parents seeking out these lessons privately, there is certainly no shortage of English teaching jobs to children around the world.
As a companion to our award-winning TEFL certification course, our Teaching English to Young Learners course is built specifically for teachers that want to focus on teaching bright young minds. Having this class in your resume will not only give you the confidence you need to manage a classroom full of kids, but also show employers your readiness for working with the next generation.
Crafted and taught by our expert instructors, this 2-week course is designed to walk students through the following: young classroom management, age-appropriate lesson plans, confronting the challenges of working with young learners, and best practices for teaching children ages 2 to 11.
Classes are capped at 20 students per section, giving students the opportunity to get hands-on direction from our instructors and receive any direct help they need during the course. Given entirely online, the class consists of assignments, peer participation, and live lectures, though recordings of the lectures are available if they don't fit your schedule.
If you're passionate about teaching young learners, this course will not only boost your confidence and energy in a young classroom, it will also give you the further skills needed to show schools and employers that you're right for the job.
The next generation of English learners are waiting for you.